Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
So I followed, okay. Please follow back me.
Okay.
What's your name?
Um,
Oh, nice name. Very fantastic name. So where are you from?
Philippines.
Wow, that's great. Are you sad? Are you sad today?
No,
But your face tells you are sad. Oh, very cute.
no.
You're looking very cute at that time you're laughing. Very good. So, hello.
Oh,
How are you?
hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Wow, that's great. So, what are you doing right now?
I not understand.
English, please. English. What are you doing right now?
I'm looking.
Oh, very good. I think your background is very
I'm
natural.
looking.
Oh, very good. Is it canal? Is it canal?
No,
What is it?
no.
Uh,
River.
River. Oh, very good. What's the name of this river?
Bukal.
Bokhail. Oh, very good. So, what's your name, please?
Elaine.
Ellen. Nice name. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Have you come there for visiting, for enjoying your time?
Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Where are you from?